That was a long day. Behind me right there, that's what remains of all the old duck house. Yeah, the duck house was never really built very well. It meant it needed to go away a long time ago. But we used it for the ducks for a long, long time. I think the ducks would have to be much happier where they are now in Chicken Manor. Let me go tell the last one to get his little, or her little quacking backside into bed. And I bet we have to rescue Kevin. We better hunt down Kevin, because Kevin was not in with the chickens. There's probably a very real chance that Kevin is elsewhere. Hey, what are you doing out here? Well, I don't see Kevin out here. Let's see if Kevin made it. In here. And I realize again, forgot my lights. I have a light on my phone. We'll see how that does for brightness. I do not. Oh, there's Kevin. Up in the corner up there. Okay. Woohoo. No rescue needed. iPhone light worked. Good night, everybody. Did not get chicken coop cleaned this week. Bummer. Should have done that yesterday when I had the chance. Oh well. Okay, we're going to see out here. I'm going to let you watch what goes on out here while I go inside. So I think there's enough light that you can still see them. So why don't you go watch them right here. I'll chase everybody out. Hercules, really? Every time, buddy. Go, go, go. Come on. Scooty-ba-doo. Scoot, scoot. Go on. Scoot, scoot. Chugga, chugga. Everybody outside. Outside, outside, outside. Okay, Christoph. Be good. I'll be checking on you in just a moment. Whew. This, however, is not going to be fun. Because I can tell right now that the GoPro is nearly black on its screen. A GoPro with a black screen is hardly worth having the GoPro running. That's better. It is nice to be able to see. Boom. Okay. while since I swept a water bowl out. That's kind of nice. Let's go ahead and treat the ducks to one. Oh my gosh, there's like mud on the bottom. Legit mud. Maybe I shouldn't let it go that long next time, huh? Well, we'll have to check what that was, huh? Having left the camera out there, I should be able to find out what went ka-thunk. Who's going ka-thunk out there? That was weird. I don't know why it stopped. We'll debug that later. As you were. What? Oh, this guy. I also did not put the new food out. I've got to do that. Let's check this out. What went in there? That was whole corn. That's my whole corn. I got bit of the mice. And then this totally got noshed in the goat breakout the other day. Just got beat up a little bit, but it's fine. Let's add some of this first. Then we're going to get scratch greens. That's gotta come. And then hole in the egg right there. this. Let's see if we can mix up any of that down to didn't get a lot of this in their food tonight. Mostly corn. Let's spice it up, shall we? All right, that'll help. Mix it up a little. Babies. You guys want dinner, right? Okay. Now it's time to let everybody in. I wonder if we can see anything on the big camera. Probably not, huh? Let's grab it, though. Maybe we could see something. I don't know. Ooh. Excuse me. Everybody good? And da 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 da. Okay, now we're out here at Chicken Manor. And we'll wrap up. Good night, birds. Arr. All right. That has been a very long day. A very, very long day. Let's see. We had appointments. We had our lend-a-hand. We had the goat hoof trimming. There's something else. Appointments. Work around the house. But now it's time for bed. Everybody else is in bed. All the animals are. This animal's next. Have a good night.